Hello everybody and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm gonna showing you how can you fix cannot verify payment information. Contact Apple support for more information. So guys, when you have add any payment method on your Apple ID on iPhone or iPad and facing this type of issue that cannot verify your payment method, I'll help you how can you fix this problem. So first of all, you have to go back on your home screen and open your settings. Make sure that you have connected with strong internet connection, and now you have to go back, scroll down, click on general. From here you have to disconnect your VPN if connected, and after doing this you have to go back. Make sure that you have turned on your date and time on automatically, and after this you have to check for update. If you will see any update here, you need to update your iPhone to latest iOS version. And after doing this you have to go back on your home screen, and guys, after this you need to open your settings again. Open your Apple ID here, and after this you need to click on here is the option of subscriptions. So simply you have to delete or remove all the subscriptions if you have purchases on your Apple ID, and after this you have to click on payment and shipping. And from here you have to check any error on your payment information. Simply you have to update your payment method. And guys, after this, if still not fix your problem, you need to delete your old payment method and add a new payment method. After this your problem will be fixed. And guys, after this, if still not fix your problem, no need to worry, you have to open an internet browser, and guys, here you need to search support.apple.com. And guys, after this you will see this type of interface. From here you have to select your iPhone. If you are using iPad, you have to select iPad, and you have to scroll it below. From here you will see the option of get support. Click on start now. And after this you have to scroll it down. Here you can see the option of subscriptions and purchases. You have to click on it, and here you can see the option of update payment method. Click on it. From here you can select continue, and after this you have to scroll it down, click on call. And guys, you need to call at these numbers, tell them your problem, and they will fix your problem within few minutes. So guys, hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe my channel. Thank you.